Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel. My name is Cindy, and if you love home organization, home decor, shop with me, all things home related, then I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and become part of this community. And today I'm on a mission to declutter, to organize our home. I want to take these first months of the new year to refresh and simplify our space. I want to focus on the bedrooms, basically the second floor, our closets, the girls' closet, my nightstand, which is a hot mess, and other areas in my home. So let's stop procrastinating and let's get started. We are in my 5-year-old daughter's bedroom, and before I start decluttering anything, I need to tidy up the room. Okay, so to finish off the organization, I just gotta do her toys here, all her drawers, just to fold them again correctly. I added a few Valentine's Day books. I still have to use the other part of the curtain rod that I was missing. And I went through all her hanging clothes and her shoes. Everything is fine here. Let's move on to the storage bins, which by the way, these are very functional in kids' bedroom. And these are from Amazon. It comes in a set of 6, available in different colors. I'm going to go through all 4 of these bins to check if there is anything that she outgrown. I have all her backpacks in one, another one for outgrown clothes. Last night I was checking on her clothes, so it's very important to have one of these on every child's closet. That way you can toss everything, and then if you want to donate or pass it on to your next child. Hats, scarves, and gloves in another one, and swimsuits in the last one. On the other side of the closet, I have her coats and jackets and some Halloween costumes that I will store them in a plastic bin with the others from previous years. And in case you're wondering where is all her hair accessories and girly stuff, I have this over-the-door shoe organizer that comes in handy for all of these little pieces. It is so easy for her to pick and choose and put it back at the end of the day. Moving on to my bedroom, before we start decluttering, let's tidy up. This is how it looks like early in the morning. So let's fix this. Much better. Let's tackle the first drawer of my nightstand. I'm removing everything to vacuum and wipe it down. I organize all of my night necessities in these acrylic drawers from Amazon. I believe it comes in a set of 15. Very convenient, and it really helps to have everything tidy. I'm curious to know, what do you store in your night drawer? I've seen quite a few nightstand organization, and I've seen candies, chocolates, beauty products that I believe that should be used in the bathroom. I'm missing some night socks here, but basically I store my remote control, sleeping lip balm. I have to have my container for my everyday jewelry, hair scrunchies, hand lotions, my pill organizers, my Vicks, if you know, you know, some lotions, and of course a book. Moving on to the linen closet in the master bathroom, I just need to declutter some bottles, restock the toilet papers. In another video, I'm going to be decluttering and organizing underneath the cabinet, in my sink, and my husband's side as well. And these bed sheets organizers are a must. It comes in a set of 4 different colors. You save so much space in your closet with this. These bins with the fluted design are from Home Goods. I bought them last year. Sometimes they have them on TJ Maxx online. And remember that by having your storage containers in the same color palette makes the space feels more cohesive and tidy. The apothecary jars are from Amazon, but the one with the Epsom salt is from IKEA. There's always a space in our home that needs to be decluttered, and just spend time getting to the bottom of the mess, letting go of what we don't need, and then organizing them so that we can enjoy a clean and tidy home.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride.
And our last room to tidy up, declutter, and organize for today is my biggest daughter's bedroom. So let's grab our magic wand and tidy up.
Somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out.
Let's tackle her closet, which is a hot mess. I want to remove this IKEA dresser because now the drawers are way too small for her clothes, and plan to use her new nightstands, drawers to hold her pajamas, socks, and small pieces of clothing.
In bad times, I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way.
I just fold both pieces of each pajama together. That way it's easier for my girl to come and grab one, and then she'll have her shirt and pants. This is a good way to fold your kids' pajamas. This way they can be more independent.
My way. I found was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way.
For her socks, I'm using this honeycomb storage. Everything that I'm using for organization I already have. This I had it in my room and in her drawer as well, and it fits up in this one, both sets. I'm just waiting to do laundry to fill it up.
Never felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
And this is how the closet turned out. Now she has more space. I added these bins that I had for a few years ago. I bought them on Home Goods, and this closet system is from Target.
I found my way, I found my way.
I decided to add her uniform shirts on top and pants on the bottom. This way it's easier for her to get ready in the morning. And I hope you have found this video helpful. I will link all the items in the description box down below. Stay tuned for more organization videos. Please follow me on Instagram at Inspirationbycp. God bless you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Happy organizing.